In this episode I'm going to show you how to paint your brake calipers with this kit from Foliatec. So let's go!
Step 1. Loosen the bolts to remove the wheel. After that, jack up the car. Now remove the wheel to reveal a very dirty wheel arch. Step 2. Clean the wheel arch. You can also use the magic of editing. Step 3. Clean the calipers using a steel wire brush. Be sure to clean it really good. Step 4. Spray down the dirt using the provided brake cleaner. Step 5. Mix in the hardener with the paint and stir it well. Step 6. Apply the paint by hand using a brush. Or by foot. Step 7. Let it dry 24 hours and enjoy the result.